This Power Essence Serum deserves like a 10-star. I absolutely love this. Been using it for, I want to say, about 4 or 5 months now, maybe a little bit longer. I'm not very consistent with it, but I love how such a little bit goes a long way. I again had it for about 5 months, and you know, all that has only been used. So it spreads really nice. It's packed with hyaluronic acid. It replenishes and really retains moisture in your skin. So when I use this in the morning and I wash my face at night, I really still feel how soft and silky my face is because of this. And it's lightweight, so you can layer it. It feels like a toner, and it absorbs actually really quickly. So you can kind of see how I tested on my arm. So I use it for day and night, and I just absolutely love it. It's great for dry, for sensitive skin like I have, or a combination, and it just, again, really hydrating. It's non-irritating. It has really helped me improve the texture, the feel of my skin. So I cannot recommend this enough. And I've been somebody who has struggled with skincare, with acne, with scarring for such a long time, and this has really helped with that, along with obviously a lot of other things that I use, but this has definitely contributed to keeping my skin hydrated, and it's just gentle, very effective, and again, it just leaves such a soft feeling on your skin. So a great addition to your skincare routine.